So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Concatenatex function. Again, this is the Northwind data set that I've been using for these videos that I've been creating. We're going to focus on the products table. So you have your products table here. I already have a sales measure, but the focus will be on the products table to use the Concatenatex function. So first thing, we're gonna take our sales after discount. So this is just the sales after the discount is applied. So that'll be in a table, and I'm going to create a slicer with the product name. So slicer, I'm going to go to my products table and click on product name. I'm going to do some formatting here and change it to a drop-down menu. Show select all, and turn this off. And I'm going to select only the first three product names: Alice Mutton, Aniseed Syrup, and Boston Crab Meat. And I want to use the Concatenatex function to display the selected product names that I applied with this slicer. This slicer could be on a different page, so it probably comes in handy in that scenario where you have a bunch of slicers on a separate page, and on the current page you want to see what the selected product names are. So let me just bring this up, and I'm going to create a new measure here. I'm going to call this selected products. Now I'm going to start off with some text because I want it to say selected products first. Put a space in there, and then I'm going to use ampersand, and I'm going to start off with the Concatenatex function. So there's 5 arguments you can put in this function. The first is a table. So we want our products table. Then your expression, we want the product's name as our expression. The delimiter will just be, we'll choose a comma. Order by expression, so what are you ordering by? Product name again. And then to finish it off, the direction of the order. So we'll say ascending. Close that off. Hit enter. That should create the measure. And then we're just going to dump this measure that we just created inside the report. So it's a little big, but I'm going to format this, and I'm going to take off the category label. Here I'm going to say 12, make it a little bit smaller. And there you have selected products, Alice Mutton, Aniseed Syrup, Boston Crab Meat. These are the 3 product names that we selected from our filter. If you select another one, that new product name that you selected will appear in this visual here. So this is the way you use Concatenatex, just a nice function. This is the application you can use with the concatenate function to show what selected values you have for some of your filters. If you have any comments, please leave them below. I'll be making additional videos on this and to show other things that you can do with the concatenatex function.